If you're unable to find your bank in Plaid to set up direct deposit, you can manually link your bank account numbers to set this up. To do this, head over to the Profile section and click on Direct Deposit. You'll notice that direct deposit is turned off by default. Go ahead and click the toggle to turn it on. Next, click Connect to a bank to link a new bank account. The system will redirect you to Plaid, a secure bank verification system that we use to safely set up your direct deposit. Click Continue from this prompt. Here, you can choose your bank from a list of popular options, or use the search bar to find your specific financial institution quickly. If you can't find your bank through the search, or if you prefer to link your account using your account numbers, no problem. Just click on Link with Account Numbers. To proceed, make sure you have your bank's routing and account numbers handy. Enter your routing number and your account number. Enter your full name as it appears on your account and click Continue. Select the account you want to connect for your direct deposit. Please take a moment to review the Plaid authorization and click Authorize. This step gives Plaid permission to initiate microdeposits into your provided account. Don't worry if you see a credit amount appearing as a separate transaction in your bank account. This is just a temporary measure to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, you'll receive this success message. Keep in mind that it may take up to 1 business day for the deposit to reflect in your bank account. You'll be navigated back to MyCast&Crew, where you'll be prompted to enter a custom bank name. The bank status will show as pending user verification until you verify the microdeposit. On the next business day, log back into your MyCast&Crew account, check your bank transactions, and locate the microdeposit. Then click on Verify Now. Enter the 3-letter code in the transaction name after the number symbol and click Continue. After verifying the deposit, your account will be successfully linked for your direct deposit. Click Continue to return to your MyCast&Crew profile. You'll see that the bank status is now updated to verified. Now click on Add Direct Deposit Accounts. From your bank institution, select the accounts you want to add and click Add. You'll now see the bank institution and active direct deposit accounts reflected in the direct deposit section. By default, the paperless option will be selected. However, if you prefer to receive paper pay stubs alongside your direct deposit, simply deselect this option. Once you're satisfied with your direct deposit setup, click Continue. Take a moment to review your information and make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Save. Your direct deposit is now on, and you can view your direct deposit information in this section. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to your direct deposit configuration, simply click on Edit at any time.